Guys, I'm gonna try out the gym today. I'm gonna try out the gym today to see if I can make it throughout a session. I'm gonna do my Go with Joe workout. That's what I'm gonna do. You can't tell I'm feeling something put on weight, right? I did give me this one for ice cream when night coming on. Right? Eh? Every night I want ice cream. Alive matter? Alive matter? After the pack of ice cream are done, I'll go on no ice cream for a while. Just my regular. It's so I'm just in my head. I try to think about everything I'm used to eat when I dip on my full blown diet. Can't remember everything. Reach to the gym now. This weather is like summer weather. Like not summer, spring. More like a spring weather. Like how is it this sunny with so much warmth in February? Like the first week of February. How comes? I don't know. Those dry? Did you wash them? Tell them about that. You didn't plan to wash them? I thought you said you were going to wash them. Oh, I left my thing. So yeah. So that's what's up. I made it inside the gym. You know, long me no come here, sir. My mind been saying that it's ready to come, but my body, I have this pain in my back. I'm not gonna do any weights. I'm just gonna do like my Go with Joe, like walk workout, because I can't tell. I've put on a bit more weight in my face and in my body. So I'm feeling to get back round. I don't want to go back to where I was before, because I don't like how I looked. I don't like how I look. I never look right when we look pan. When we lose the weight and all of that. So I guess what can go on for me. The doctor had told me that whenever I must listen to my body. So it's just a pain on my back that go and come like now my center on my back. So but yeah, let's see what the gym has to offer for today. Why? So this is me. This is me. And we're gonna see what we can do. So alright, we have to navigate the system from here to get it on the big screen. So let's find YouTube. Where's YouTube? YouTube, look at it on the screen. This is home. Too long I'm gonna come on. YouTube is here. Let's get YouTube running. Oh my god, watch out. I play this man for my kids every day. Danny Go. Him have a nice morning song that the kids love. Go with Joe. No dumbbells, honey. No dumbbells. Tash don't want a dumbbell. And this gym has dumbbell full. A lot of dumbbells. But we're not doing dumbbells. She posted a video 5 days ago. She's pregnant again. So let's see if we can. Want to skip the ad? Skip the ad. 44 minutes. I don't think Tesh can manage too much right now. Hold on. Alright, I will try it. When I'm tired, I cut it off. Alright. liver strong. So did I even mention that I have a stomach ache? Tell me why. We're gonna find one packer, the winter fresh in the pantry. When we came from Jamaica, and I decided to carry it and go to school and eat about 3 outside. I know my belly will kill me.
Alright. Ain't this what you came for? Don't you wish you came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me kiss that. Ooh, I know you missed that. What's wrong? Let me fix that. Twist that, baby. Tonight's the night I let you know. Baby, tonight's the night we lose control. Baby, tonight you need that. Tonight, believe that. Tonight I'll be the best you ever had. I don't wanna brag, I'll be best you ever had. I don't wanna brag, I'll be best you ever had. I hit you with the best roll, freestyle in the breaststroke, till you're blowing cigarette smoke. Another bed's low. So what we gonna do now? Fucking round 2 now. Work it out, then we cool down, cool down. Baby, tonight's the night I let you know. Baby, tonight's the night we lose control. Baby, tonight you need that. Tonight.
Alright guys, so after that 40 minutes, I roughly did 30 minutes. No, yeah. Well, at 44 minutes, I roughly did 30 minutes. So, Odin is ready. So I'm going to go downstairs now to meet up with him. As you all know, if you never know, as a new subscriber or new to the channel, I don't do like in the gym, I don't do like the full-blown workout. I started out my health journey with doing at home, go with Joe, because where we live now, the floors are board. We're in an apartment, so I really don't want to work out in the apartment and be stamping in the apartment and disturb who downstairs. So I just use the opportunity to come to the room, because they have a room where they have a TV, you can do those stuff and just work out. So I feel good. Am I going to in a lot of pain tomorrow? Yes, but I'm happy that I made the first day back. My back isn't hurting, but I can feel a little nipping of it in the back. But I'm not pressuring myself too much. I'm using this time to kind of routine back myself into it, because if you follow the mind, you never ever start back. So I really want to start back because I really want to maintain the little growth I make, which was a big growth. So yeah, we're gonna go home now. The main thing about this work with working out and exercise is the eating. I don't ever since keep on say from ever since. For those who know, I really do struggle with eating late. And my biggest struggle that from ever since coming here, we still struggle with it. I don't know why. I guess when you come home and because you don't want to dash in the kitchen same time, you get a relaxed, you get in relaxed mode, and by the time you go cook, it's already late. Because you know by the time you come from work at late hours. So yeah, but today we're gonna try to make an effort to eat before the latest 6:30. No later than that, because babe got the meat already. So we're gonna have, I think babe gonna do some barbecue chicken because he already bought something from Walmart, and I'm gonna fix it up and we're going to eat vegetable, either boiled vegetable, steamed vegetable, or raw vegetable. I don't know, but let's go. Let's leave the gym. Let's go. Oh, honestly, I feel really good in myself. I'm not gonna lie to you, know. I feel really good in myself, and I'm proud of myself. I'm proud that I made it back here. I am very proud, very, very proud. I'm very proud. All right, so as of today, I'm gonna try to get my mind in the routine frame of working out at least 3 times for the week. If you guys didn't know, I fell in love with working out for the last time I started this journey, and really just want to get back in tune with it. So yeah, people say the ordinary product, it dark on my face, like honest, but it make the spot them just like, it look like it a burn out the spot them and burn out the bump them, but it dark on my complexion. But yep, so let me in, babe. I'll go home now. So yeah, guys, today is Friday and I made a quick run to the bank, going home. Look here, after the gym yesterday, today I feel like me I crashed all morning. Me been crashing. My foot down at me when I tell me I want me to walk, I draw myself at work. Literally I draw myself. Okay, so I made a quick run to the bank to do a quick withdrawal. The one on the hear me that top, boy. So I did the withdrawal that I had to do from couple days now, and I made it here. I'm gonna go to the other bank to do a deposit, and then head home, see what plans babe have for the weekend. It's sunny today, it is hot. It was chilly in the afternoon during recess time, but no, it's hot. It is hot. All right, it's Friday, so I'm gonna really know what I'm going for the weekend, and I keep you guys posted. Guys, it's almost what do you call it? It is almost spring break. I can't wait. I have plans for my spring break. I have big plans for my spring break. So I'm gonna keep posted to see what we're gonna do for the spring break. Alright, so yeah. Hello, hi, can I get a iced matcha latte? What's the sweetener for it? Does it come with the extra shot of extra classic shot?
Yeah, because it's plastic.
Could I have a additional shot of, yeah. Ice matcha. Tastes like porridge. Tastes like a little caramel porridge. Tastes like porridge. That's how it tastes to me. I'm going to go drink porridge now. I mean, I wonder why am I buy iced matcha? Why am I buy frappuccino? Or frappe? Or frappe? One iced frappe. This tastes like porridge. Let's go home. But we'll try not to do this whole heap. Oh, I forgot to tell her oat milk would have been busting. It's a, hey, sir! Hey, come out in the car. Hey, sir. Right there, so I go on. I don't want you to let me carry it. I don't want you to scratch it. Because we have to go in our very... The conversation would have been too long. Conversation would be too long if you scratch me, sir. This one hot. North Carolina weather for you guys. Cool 1 minute, freezing 1 minute, snowing 1 minute. Next minute is hot. Feel like you want to put out your short shorts. But I'll concern about drive out past Monday today. And because I do that today, I get a chance to drive up for me, but all is well. Alright guys, I'm going home. It's Friday. I don't know about you, but my favorite day of the week is Friday. Friday. My favorite day of the week is Friday. Some people say Saturday because they don't have to go to work. My favorite day is Friday because I go to take off the wig, yeah. That catch me. And it just I know the front ain't messy. Favorite day of the week is Friday because it's a day that I get to, you know, kinda just why I like Friday? That's why I like Friday. Yes, I like Friday your favorite day, but why? Because me not have to go work the next day. So I guess me not have to go in, go make sure my lunch bag fully empty, prepare lunch for school the next day. Me just know that tomorrow is my free day. Cha. Anyways guys, it's Friday. I go with some husband in Japan. If you did it, go to look fishing content. Let's see. I see the man enough. So that good no did enough. That really gonna look fishing can. Look how the Amazon truck block up a wall. Oh look here. Tell me say the Amazon man in the Ulta. Look how babe Van Days. Look how the man park the truck in the middle of the road. Watch out. He must say in the middle. Eh? Block up the whole road. You should apologize to me. Come on, tell me, man. Man block up the whole road. Watch him. Alright. Put up in hand and tell me say sorry about that. Cha. So I am home and babe wants us to go get Subway for dinner tonight, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go take a shower, kinda brush out my hair a bit, but I'm gonna grab this wig off right after we get back in because I want to put on another wig tomorrow. I got this wig from Shein, and yeah, so I'm gonna take a shower, get dressed, and we're gonna hit the road. I want to go before it gets dark. I want to go before it gets late because we're trying to get back into not eating too late and trying to get back on track with the health journey, especially myself. So let's go take a shower and come right back.
5 months now, I drink nothing. Before I show you, I check it.
Yeah, check out.
I'm not 5. Can I did kind of tap drink before me come here?
You did drink before you come in?
No, almost a year now I drink. About 7-8 months now I drink. Yeah, first.
Well, that's good. Rum is not good for you. Alright guys, so I am ready, waiting on Odin to go grab the Subway, and then that's gonna be it for Friday. We're not doing nothing. Just look up on the road, get the food, and jump right back inside to chill, watch a show until we go to bed. So I know the thing set. Yeah. This is my top. I got this top from Davia for Christmas, and can I tell you, I love that top here. I'm the second time wearing it, and I would want to own more than one of this top. I like how it fit me. It fit me like, you know. Maybe put on some high socks. Can I give me like this athletic vibe? By the way, I'm back Odin. Look at about my phone. This is the top. Like, I don't know. It gives this baggy look. This, I don't know. I like it. Sister, I like the blouse, yeah. I like it, like really. I love it. And the color, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we're on the road. We're going is just right around the corner. So we'll be there and be back in like a quick time. We haven't been there in a while because we didn't get no coupon. Eh?
Me not go unless me have coupon.
If I say not go unless you have coupon, because when you don't have coupon you pay full price. When you have the coupon you pay like, is it like $2? Is it $2 there?
I don't know, boy, look way cheaper.
Huh?
I don't know, boy, look way cheaper. Look how much I pay for 2 foot long.
How much?
13 for 2 foot long. How much 1 foot long? Let me look.
Why full price?
Foot long. Subway foot long.
Subway foot long. Me look small na the a babe van me a drive. Me feel smaller, like, you know. Sometimes I drive, you know, so me drive because I see it go high up, right? Where that can me. But the light are long.
Which light? No idea.
The light, them I say the light that we have to wait upon we can make the turn. How would them blow me? Them blow?
Then I must.
How would blow me?
Yeah, man, back here.
When blow me for?
See road clear.
One vehicle did they me away upon one vehicle. You know, since me I look at it how close it is. When my rush me for? Well, I mean, people I watch it them. No, probably I say me rush everybody, right? You don't find the price. You don't find the price.
Yeah, but this I say if me use some code, me can get it for $12.99, same thing for the coupon and so.
Oh, so probably that's what I want to see. Want something we are going on, go around. So if we never get the coupon in the mail, we probably could have used
one code, the code.
Forget it.
In app or online.
Oh, so would have to download it. Would have to download the subway. Oh, in app.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, you probably have to download the subway code. Forget it in app.
Yeah, people. Now I want to see me a drive, bro. No, I can't drive. I know, you know.
Why you can't drive?
Look on the eye there. See?
Oh, yeah.
Can't drive.
What you want to
Can drive, but we not drive. You know?
Eh? Unless you want to go
We
back
just
and
not drive. We are talking about.
So what you telling people them then say?
We just say we can't drive.
So why you tell people look for your eyes?
Anybody want pick when they want pick out, them pick when they want pick out. Zin? Yeah, we just can't drive. That's the truth. Tired.
Okay. Oh.
Yeah, people see coupon. I know it's a show. They call it back and front.
That's weird, eh? That's so weird. See, it showed the way there.
Yeah, people. So what I do for no weekend? In the comment section, man. We know what I do, you know. If anybody live in an area, we know what they hear, so we can do for fun, you know.
Oh.
But still,
What's
what she can do for fun, not me.
Of course, it's we.
Cause me, I don't know my style already. Yeah.
What's your style?
Catch fish.
Everything a fish?
Everything
Everything a
catch
fish?
fish.
Oh, you go inside or drive through? So you go inside?
Inside, we don't want to mess up my order.
But you can't tell them the last time I never gave no meat. So
I don't want to order the wrong thing, so I go in to look on that board and tell them what I want.
Okay.
I don't memorize menu in this.
I don't remember, but it's sure. You know, I like to use my eyes and visualize.
Come like feel different from because once I look on this, I'm good.
Wow. No, me look
I never can use this enough you can park properly. Yeah.
And park properly?
Lean.
My car, yeah, it kind of weird.
Once me use for me one this as well.
Fear one kind of more structured.
Park
Fear one structured. People reach us somewhere. We won't go inside. Let's see if it works for your van. Where your key there?
You have a key.
I have a key?
Get
it. Find my key there. You never did remember see you give me key, sir. Let's go, Ila. It's a go lock off. Watch him. He never tried before saying want to see if this one go he like them go lock off.
Me like it. I'm watch it. Lock off that. You see now lock off.
Okay, you chat too much. You chat too much. Yeah.
This is what you want to say.
Oi, look here. We take Fefe and we. Well, it's not cool. It's not cool. It's not cool. It's not cool. The Jamaican term is not cool. It's just chilly. Right, me say, the second in Jamaica. Yeah, the second in Jamaica.
Body not that long. Body not that long.
That long.
I just sleep down.
Hi.
Hello. We have a coupon.
Yeah. My favorite thing is 21. Can I have a 21? Yeah, you know, look cool. You know, I look so clean, you know. I don't know why. Why does somebody just never look fine? Never look around. When I see the top better now, people. I'm sure now.
Today he said he's going to hang with
Mine done? Alright, what if we want that?
and I think he said nurse sharks.
See here.
Biggie said once, well, nurse sharks,
Some of on this.
sharks will never, but they are.
This regular pink tights. That's what I know out the door. Now school. That's remember the tights that the underneath piece. And then I want one thick something over it. You know? What the door is. Probably gonna 50 something now. Oh, it is chilly. Oh. But up here said me put them cooler than me. Because my tights are warmish. Oh? Alright, then done. We have to tell about what we need for it. Green peppers and jalapeno. I like the color of your hair. You're welcome.
Alright. Ain't this what you came for? Don't you wish you came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me kiss that. Ooh, I know you missed that. What's wrong? Let me fix that. Twist that.
Today, it's Saturday, and we are going to the gym. It's very hard to go to the gym when the time is cold because finding the courage to get out of the house, finding the courage to motivate yourself to work out, and just putting all that courage together, find the strength to put all that courage together is a lot. But we're going to the gym despite the weather, so let's go.
I'll be the best you ever had. smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. Keep the you are the joke. And I could be the blackboard, you can be the top. I can be the phone. Yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I. With your pretty little hands, even when we're down to the wire, baby. Even when it's even war time, we can do it, baby, simple and plain. This is love, it's a short thing.
Bet that never gotta see that. Bet that never gotta see that. Bet that never gotta see that. Bet that never gotta see that.
Be the fire, baby. If I'm a blunt, be the lighter, baby. Fire it up, lighter, baby. Be the cool, from the lyric, baby. Be the number. Or I say I'm a son, class, I'm a winner, and it's you. What did I do to serve that paper, baby? I paid a pen. Say I am the one, cause you weren't. Rolling up the day, even when the sky can't fall. Even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I. With your pretty little hands, even when I'm down to the wire, even when it's do or die.
Bet that
You do it, baby, simple and plain.
bet that never gotta see that.
Alright. Ain't this what you came for? Don't you wish you came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me kiss that. Ooh, I know you missed that. What's wrong? Let me fix that. Twist that, baby. Tonight's the night I let you know. Baby, tonight's the night we lose control. Baby, tonight you.
Alright guys, I'm heading home right now. It's cold outside. Can't afford to be sick for too long, so I had to put on back my coat. And yeah, I am tired. I was struggling to complete this workout to the end of the 30 minutes, but I pushed myself, and where I realized that my body wasn't going with the speed that Joe was going with, I just tweak it, slow it down for myself, and I still made it to the end. So babe is waiting on me because he has a PD on a Saturday. I don't know why babe scheduled a PD for a Saturday when he has to work 5 full days of the week from 6:55 to literally 3 o'clock. Why? Yes, I would never do that to myself, but him say I'll go. I tell him him no want, I pick up, but him say I'll go. Literally guys, over here you start working from very early to the same time, like 3 o'clock, whatever. So babe will start working like 6:55. I start working 7:15. Big change, right? But yeah, in everything you do, you have to welcome change, embrace change, and make progress with the change. Because sometimes you make change and you just get yourself stagnant in the first part of it. Like you're like, okay, mega work with this, and then at the end of the day you just like find yourself getting comfortable in the change. Like when you make a change, you don't have to get comfortable. Like you must still continue work towards it. And that's one of the things I'm trying to get back to. Like I made a change of the mindset that I had going through this breakup with myself, with what happened in last year, in the past. Like I felt like I went through I don't know, this phase of my life that like literally shred me to pieces, but I am finding the courage to move past it. It, like, you know, when things happen and you try to move past it, it's not that it, like, it is gone exactly. And some things in life will never leave you. It might not just be in the forefront of your life, but it will come now and then. And currently I'm in the stage of whatever it was that really shred me to pieces, it doesn't hit me as much as it did as in the first stage of it. But every now and then, yeah. And I haven't read the Blue Bible since last Saturday, so I'm going to read it today. I want to let this change be something that is persistent in my life, continuous, and when you're continuous with things, you will persevere, trust me. Anyways, let's go home. So my husband coming out and kill me. Me tell him I got the gym and we can make breakfast, then he can go. He can go because I want us to have breakfast together. And then we left the yard and don't eat and go to the PD, hungry for the whole day, head start hurting and all of them something they come home to me. My head hurt me, that's so I want to make sure say he eat. And then it's not he came to the gym with me the last time. He is not a person that can work out in the morning. When Odin works out in the morning, he's crashed for the entire day. When I work out in the morning, it doesn't do me anything. No matter what time of the day I work out, it don't do me nothing at all. I might feel a little tired for a few first section of the end of it, But by the time I settle down and I condition my mind, I'm back in it. I'm back in it to do whatever. So, yes. So, him can work out in the morning. When he work out in the morning, him want to sleep with him move in a slow motion. So, I'm not about to pressure him to come this morning. Alright, so I'm gonna drink my green juice and I'm gonna do a straightening up at the house, clean up, and take this week off and run some errands on the road. I have to go to the dollar store to get my snacks. The dollar store is literally where I get my snacks now. They have plantain chips, and then I'm gonna go to the dollar store, which the Walmart that has the variety of Jamaican items is nearby, so I can get my Saldanza plantain chips and the banana chips. I don't need water crackers, so I won't get water crackers. I don't really need groceries. I just don't have any snacks at the moment, so I'm gonna get snacks. I think we have fruits. I think I have everything, so just snacks that I need. And the dollar store, I need some toiletries. I used to get my toiletries from Big Lots because Big Lots sell like what the amount that they sell for the price was really good. I don't need tissue. I think I only need paper towels. So I'm gonna check back Big Lots because them say they're closing in February. It's early February, I'm not sure. I was looking online this morning, but then I saw this morning online where it said that not all locations will be closing down. They're gonna save a few. So I'm not sure if the one right beside me will be still there, but they did put up the closing down sign. So I'm assuming that if it says closing down, then that location will be closing down, because the internet also said that the personals who deal with the ownership, they said they re-announced a week after, said they're going to save a few locations, and the location beside me said it will be closing down. The one further down the road said it will be closing down. So I am not sure. So I have my wig right here on the table to install my wig that I got from Shein. But I'm going to clean and then do the wig. So then relax before I go on the road. And then I want to, it's still early. It's at like 10 o'clock. So I want to be able to do all of that, then come back and then just relax for the rest of the day. I don't like when I go to bed at night like I don't like that. On weekends, I like I'm overwork myself on weekends. I like when I have little time. So, just no do nothing. Now my bed, lay down and just idle. So, yeah, but this week we'll take it out. I see the week I'll start now sideways. And I see, watch it. Go to part lean. What? I forgot to use alcohol to take it off. So, we're gonna take it off and then whatever. Is it hard to drink? If you're not open to change, it's gonna be very hard to drink. When I started the first time, it was hard. Then my mind and my body and my taste buds and get in tune to it. No, it's not hard to drink as much as it was in the first time. But when I started back this a few days ago, I was struggling with my car got work and I can't finish a bottle. I did put it in the water bottle. Can't finish it. So it's really, But when you ask me, so you get in tune to it, so I'm gonna really get in tune to it as yet. But yeah, babe, him said him not drink no bush. But I will drink my bush and stay healthy. Yeah. Alright, people, I'm gonna take off the wig here, so let's take off this wig together. Quick Saturday dinner, guys. Curry shrimp with veggies. Oops. Some pumpkin rice. You know how long I'm gonna cook this? Fried plantains for the side. So yeah, that's the vibe for today. Guys, this is it. This is babe's food. This is mine. So that's the vibe for today. Guys, look at this that they did in the dollar store. This is so nice. This is so nice. Ah! It is so nice. Actually, no. So many red. There's no excuse for Odie not to be my Valentine, you know. Made it to the dollar store, but the platinum chips that I wanted to get, about 6 of, they only have 3, so I got the 3 last ones, and these are good. They're pretty close to Saldanza. What? Guys, Walmart have this clearance sale on luggages. I see these. I wanted the 24 inches, $30 too. But really and truly, I might going to be checking a suitcase, or we want something we can just throw over our head. I don't really want to carry not too big. Is this $30? No, this is $30. I don't want to check more if you want Let me see if I double side open it. Hold on, let me check this out. This is $30. So I'm gonna get this one. And if anything, we can always get back if first of cheaper ones. This one is $30 too, babe. And it carry on a turtle. So it makes sense me get this, not true? Fit whatever I see, eh? What do you think? Makes sense me get the bigger one, right? I want to. Guys, babe, I have to push my body cart because my foot's tired. No, sir. It is very convenient, trust me. My foot has killed me. I'm tired. Reach my final destination. Guys, I'm back in Ulta. I have to return the sunscreen that I got the last time because it's not what I want. It's too dry. It literally says dry, but whatever the expect if it says dry, I do not need this area. Sunscreens are some dear expensive things. They're like $36, $40 their money. They're like, I don't want to spend that amount of money. Oh my god, I don't want to. So guys, a quick Ulta haul. So my moisturizer that I use, the one that I was using, is almost out. And as I told you last time, I really want to focus on self-care. Really, you know, I want to be more intentional about it. So this is hydrators and oils. So I went and got the ordinary 100 ml size for their moisturizer. So I went and got this moisturizer, natural moisturizing factors. So I went and I'm gonna try this moisturizer to see what's the, you know, how it feels, the product, everything about it. I'll let you guys know. Remember, you guys should be looking at my face to see if there's results. And I think this was like $15. It was 14 something, you know, plus tax. And then I returned the sunscreen, and I asked one of the workers in there what's the best sunscreen that they recommend, and she brought me to the section where this one is, Dew Glow moisturizer SPF 50. So it says it's a Dew Glow moisturizer and a sunscreen in one. So she said it works good for her. I asked her if because it said moisturizer, do I need to use a moisturizer? She said she doesn't think it moisturizes enough for her, so she would recommend doing moisturizer. But if I wanted to try it out, I could try it out and see. So it was not expensive to do. I think it was $21. The one that I brought back, the La Rosa, something like that. I think that was like $20. This is the name, that other one that I brought back. I hope you guys remember that one. That one, guys, it gave me a dry base and I don't like it, so I got this one. So I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna see how it comes off in, you know, when I use it. Like, the good thing about it, if I don't like it, I can always return. So yeah, this is the new products to the list that I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna toss the boxes away as yet because, as I said, if I don't like the product, I can always take it back. And the ordinary moisturizer was where is that one? 21. No, where's that one? It was $13.50. It was $13.50, and the glow was $21.99. So the glow sunscreen, so I paid $16.54 because I did a return of the item. That was $20. So yeah.
Alright. Ain't this what you came for? Don't you wish you came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, let me kiss that.
So guys, I want to end out this vlog for you guys. Today is Sunday, just a chill, just finished my hair. Going to rest and then I'm going to take a shower, and then that's going to be it for today. So I just wanted to come back and tell you guys, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another vlog. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.